One of the coolest new features in iOS 26 is something called Spatial Wallpaper. With this feature, your iPhone wallpaper moves in 3D when you tilt your phone, making your lock screen look alive and dynamic. So, how do you set it up? First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 26. To check this, open Settings, go to General, and then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, install it, because this feature only works on iOS 26 and newer. Once your phone is updated, go to your lock screen and long press anywhere until the customization menu appears. Tap the plus icon, then select Photos. For the best effect, choose a photo with a person or a pet. iOS will use depth recognition to make the subject stand out more. Now, tap the layers icon next to the three-dot menu. Your iPhone will analyze the photo and automatically apply the spatial effect. Tilt your phone slightly left, right, up, or down, and you'll see the wallpaper shift just like a 3D image. It feels like your screen comes to life. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've turned your lock screen into something unique and eye-catching. If you want to discover more hidden iOS 26 tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next update.